Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your Android TV model and firmware so you know what options exist. Open Settings Device Preferences now. Once done, verify your remote or phone remote app is paired so navigation is immediate. If you plan to sideload an alternate launcher, make sure a USB drive or network share is available and that unknown sources is enabled for the installer app. Do this quickly. These steps prevent interruptions when you change the home experience. You will replace the home by installing a TV-compatible launcher APK. First, get an APK designed for Android TV, not a phone launcher, and transfer it to the set-top box using USB or a network share. Once the APK is visible on the TV, open a file manager and tap Install. Accept the unknown sources prompt if it appears. After installation, do not press Home yet. You need to set the new launcher as default in the following step. You finalize the change by assigning the new launcher as the default Home app. Go to Settings, Apps, see All Apps, then Default Apps and pick Home app. Select your installed launcher, then press the Home button. You should land on the new interface. If the system reverts, clear data for the old Home app or uninstall its updates, then reboot and reselect the new launcher. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to remove conflicts and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.